Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I've got today is another Master Lock, but this one is a regular pin tumbler. It is a M530. I saw, M530. I saw Lock Picking Hippie have a go at it and made it look so fun. I was like, man, I want to try that one. So, figured I'd want to try a fun fun little pick. So I got me one. I haven't even taken it out of the pack or picked it yet, so I figured I would try to do an out of pack picking if I can get it. Fun part's gonna be see if I can get it in my vise. Sure. Okay, we'll try that. I'll go from there. How about that? All right. So, cord is really floppy. Wow. All right. So, let's see if I can. All right, little click on one, feel slight movement in the core. Two felt really crunchy. It's kind of hard to tell what's feedback because the core is flopping around. I click out of 3. Make sure well, maybe that was 4. And you see how much that cord's bouncing right there. So that's making it hard to feel any kind of feedback. Wow. And that is unreal. I don't know if you're seeing that on the camera, but let's show you. I don't know if you can. Let's see. Look how much that core flops up and down, all around. I mean, that's just killing any bit of feedback that you would get. So let me try it in hand for a second. Plus, this packaging is not. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna switch. Let's see. Let me switch to bottom. Maybe that'll help. Okay, I tapped somebody, got a little bit of a false set. Counter out of 3. Little counter out of 4. 1 feels good. Little counter out of 2, and I feel like I just overset it. Yep, reset. And again, I just touched somebody in the back, get the false set. Get back into the false set. Tried to do it a little bit easier this time. Okay, I don't feel like I overset that time. And there we go. We got the open. So yeah, it's that sloppiness is just horrible as far as trying to get any kind of feedback. Let me just come off. There we go. Well, I don't know if I need a key, but let's see. There's the bitting on that. So let's see what it takes here. I'm just trying to look real quick before I mess this up. Mark the front so that way I know. Number one is a tiny spool. Is it me or does it look like that thing is not even? Looks like it. Okay. Go the other way. Go that way. Okay. So actually, security pins. So there you go. I mean, at least I got security pins. That's the good thing, but you can kind of see that the cost savings is costing in a little bit other ways. So, but anyway, sorry for the longer video than I was expecting, but hey, you never know what you're going to get into. Hey, one quick note. I just wanted to point out, I'm looking at pin 3 with the spool above it. I don't know if you make sure you can see that, but it's below the shear line. So, way to go, Master Lock. All right, I'm back one more time. I just wanted to see if I can show you how you don't have, how that pin, that third pin is not even really in play. Okay. Okay, so really right then I just really picked 2 pins. So I'm gonna see if I can hold the lock and then gut this. If I can, and show you that the driver and the key pin are, see if I can pull this core out without. Well, letting it reset. All right, so it is out. All right, so the easiest thing for me to do is I'm just going to rotate it all around and drop the pins out. There's 1, 2, 3. There's the driver. 4. So I picked it and the driver went all the way around. So anyway, I figured I'd add that to it as well. All right, thanks.